Hey Shopify sellers! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we help you maximize your online business potential. In this video, we'll cover 5 key reasons that make this dropshipping model so effective. Reason number 1, low startup costs. With dropshipping, you don't need to invest thousands of dollars upfront in inventory. Think about it. No need to purchase large quantities of products or pay for storage space. Instead, you can allocate your resources to what really matters, like building a beautiful, user-friendly Shopify store, crafting compelling marketing campaigns, and driving traffic to your site, reducing financial risk and giving you the flexibility to test different products and niches without the fear of losing money. You don't need a warehouse, staff to manage inventory, or a logistics team to handle shipping. This lean approach keeps your business agile, allowing you to pivot quickly based on market trends. Reason number 2, wide product selection. With dropshipping, your product range is virtually unlimited. Since you're not holding inventory, you can easily expand or change your product offerings without the constraints of physical storage. Want to add a new product category or test out the latest trend? With dropshipping, it's as simple as a few clicks. You can quickly add new products to your store, see what resonates with your audience, and remove those that don't, all without any financial loss. This flexibility allows you to cater to a broader customer base and diversify your income streams. It also means you can stay ahead of trends and adapt to changing customer preferences more rapidly than traditional retail models. Reason number 3, location flexibility. One of the greatest benefits of dropshipping is that it gives you the freedom to run your business from anywhere. Whether you prefer working from the comfort of your home, a bustling cafe, or even while traveling, all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Shopify's mobile-friendly dashboard allows you to manage orders, track sales, and monitor inventory on the go. This flexibility is ideal for those who value work-life balance or aspire to a digital nomad lifestyle. Plus, you're not tied down by physical store locations or the limitations of local markets. You can sell to customers all over the world, expanding your reach and growing your business beyond geographical boundaries. Reason number 4, scalability. Dropshipping makes it incredibly easy to scale your business without the typical growing pains associated with traditional retail. In a traditional business model, scaling up usually means purchasing more inventory, expanding storage space, and hiring additional staff, all of which require significant upfront investment. With dropshipping, however, you can scale rapidly by partnering with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping for you. As your order volume increases, your suppliers will continue to fulfill the orders on your behalf, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer engagement. This streamlined process means you can scale up your sales efforts, handle thousands of orders, and grow your business exponentially, all without additional operational burdens. Reason number 5, reduced operational overhead. With dropshipping, you can forget about the hassles of traditional inventory management. No more managing stock levels, worrying about warehousing, or handling complicated logistics. Your suppliers take care of inventory, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. This not only saves you time, but also significantly cuts down on your operational costs. It allows you to focus on what you do best, building relationships with your customers, creating compelling marketing content, and fine-tuning your store for optimal performance. Reduced overhead means more profits, less stress, and more time to innovate and grow your brand. And there you have it, 5 powerful reasons why dropshipping can revolutionize your Shopify business. From low startup costs and the ability to offer a wide range of products, to the freedom of location flexibility, scalability, and reduced operational overhead, dropshipping provides a unique opportunity for both new and established entrepreneurs to build a thriving e-commerce store. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Shopify insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.